Hi, ciao, ciao, ciao. Hi, everyone. You're welcome once again to Chaos Music. Yeah, Chaos Music, bringing music to you. yes, bringing music to you. Okay, so today I'm just gonna show you how to use the transpose. Yeah, how to use it quickly, right? Yes, how to use it quickly. Yeah, and after that, I will demonstrate some mistakes and then some corrections. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. So before I get into it, please subscribe to Chaos Music. We're gonna bring you more stuff here that will help you very much. Trust me. Yeah. As you can see how it's going, on my channel, you can see that there is more to come. There are more to come. So please and please and please subscribe to Chaos Music. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, the transpose feature on the keyboard serves as a help for people who doesn't know how to play all the keys, or who are not very familiar with all the keys. They might be familiar with 2, 1, or 3 or 4, or yeah, keys, but not all the keys. So the transpose button helps, or the transpose feature on the keyboard helps us to move a key to another key that we are fluent on that key, so that we can play. Yes. So if you don't for example, if you don't know how to play F and you know how to play only C, if a singer sings on F, you can transpose or move that sound from F to C, so that you can play, so that it can match what the singer is singing, or you can play the key that the singer is singing on your comfortable key on the keyboard. Yes. So again, if you are only fluent with only F, let's say F, you are fluent with F and no other key, and a singer or a musician starts to sing on B flat, you just, by the help of the transpose feature on the keyboard, you just transfer the B. If the singer sings on B flat, yeah, you can transfer the B flat onto the F, so that you can play. Yeah. So it helps a lot. So now, how do we use the transpose button? Now, first of all, I'll say something about some basis, or some basic things. We have 12 keys on the keyboard, as you already know. We have 12 keys on the keyboard. We have C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, then F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, B, and then back to C. So we have 12 keys on the keyboard, 5 black keys and 7 white keys, making 12. Yes. Now the same thing applies to this transpose feature. As you can see on the screen. Yeah, you can see clearly. You can see clearly, right? Or yeah, I think you can see it clearly. Okay, so the transpose button on the keyboard also has 12 let's say 12 numbers. Yes, it has 2 sides. We have the positive side and the negative side. You get me right? So on your right is the positive side. As you can see, I'm changing the numbers from 1 up to 12, and then For the left side, we have -1 up to -12. And then we have the neutral, 0, 0. So which means that you can transpose a key. You can transpose a key from one key to another key that you are comfortable with a positive side, and you can transfer the the key that you are not comfortable with to a key you are comfortable with a negative side. So you can use both the positive side and the negative side. Now, the negative side serves as, let's say, the lower octave, and the positive side serves as the higher octave. Yeah. So if you are very familiar with F, right? Zero, 0 is the same F. So if we move down 12 steps down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it's the same F. So which means that if you move down 12 and you strike this F, is the octave lower of this F, of the 0, 0 F. So minus 12 is the octave lower of this F, right? So this F, this sound is the same as this sound. Yes. So now, how do we use the transpose? Very good. Now, if someone begin to sing, let's say on F sharp, let's say, you are wonder, you are worthy, oh Lord, you are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord. The person is singing on F sharp, but you are not very familiar with F sharp. You are only familiar with F. So what do? F sharp is found one step higher or one step forward. F, right? So which means that, and you want to transfer F sharp to F. So it's what? +1, because F sharp is found above F, like one step forward. So which means that if you want to transfer F sharp to F, you just +1. You get it? Get me right? Yeah. The same thing. If you want to transfer G to F, 1, 2, right? So 1, 2. If you want to transpose G sharp to F, so it's what? 1, 2, 3, right? Now note that we don't count this F because this F is a 0. Yeah, we count from 1, 2, 3. Don't count 1, 2, 3. No, count, this is 0, so count from 1, 2, 3. So we want to transpose A sharp to F. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It gives the same sound. You can testify. And then now we want to transpose B flat to F, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So this is the normal B flat. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get me right? Yes. So now we transferred or we transposed F sharp, G sharp, and B flat. Now we use the positive side. Now let's use the negative side. It's very simple. Now for F sharp +1, since we have 12 keys, if you want to use the negative side of the transpose feature, you just subtract 12 from the 1. This is mathematics. So 12 minus 1. And because we want to work at the negative side, we subtract minus 12, not 12, minus 12. So minus 12 plus 1. So minus 12 plus 1 is what? Minus 11, which means that F sharp on the positive side is plus 1, and on the negative side is minus 11, but it's octave lower, so you can play it here. Okay, let's move to G. G plus 2, right? Plus 2, which means plus 2 minus 12. So plus 2 minus 12 is what? It's minus 10. So minus 10. It gives the same thing. Plus 2 minus 10 minus 10. It's the same thing. Now, let's look at G sharp, which is this. G sharp is 1, 2, 3. So plus 3. 1, 2, 3. We transpose it to F, right? And then if you want to use the negative side, plus 3 minus 12, giving you what? Minus 9. So let's listen to the sound one more time. Now minus 9. It's the same sound. Or it's the same G sharp that we are playing. Then the last key that I want to do it on is B flat, right? So on the positive side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And on the negative side, you can also choose to count from F downwards. So remember, this F is 0, 0, so you count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if on the positive side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, then on the negative side is plus 5 minus 12, giving you what? Minus 7, which means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the same B flat, B flat. So minus 7 is the same. So that's very simple. So for F sharp, plus 1 or minus 11, so plus 1 minus 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, the same key, right? For G, plus 2 or minus 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the same G, right? And G sharp, 1, 2, 3, plus 3 or minus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the same key, yeah. And then the last key, B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 5 or minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. So that is it. That is it. That is it. So now, this is the part I want you to also pay attention to it. If a singer starts to sing, maybe you are fluent on F. You wonderful. Sorry. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. Right? If the singer sings on, let's say, you are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord, it is good for you to search for the key. You are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord. It's good for you to search for the key like this. And then once you know the key, you know that it's A plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You start playing plus 4 or minus 8. So you start playing. But I think that if you don't search for the key and then you be like this, you are, let's also pick another key. You are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord, you are wonderful, you are okay, you are worthy, oh Lord. this time around I found the key very earlier on. So don't be like, when the person starts singing, you will use the like you are just try and error, like you are trying and then erroring. You are trying and then making a mistake, like you just try, you are worthy, oh Lord, oh Lord. For this time you found it, I found it very early, but in case you are worthy, oh Lord, and then maybe you don't find it, and then you are keeping on being like moving up, then you be like, oh. Then you move up, move up, like it's like you are trying, you are looking for it, like though you are looking for it, but it's not the quickest way, or it's not a smart way of doing that. So I think the smart way to do that is to just take time, search for the key. If the key is B flat, you just +5, then you just start playing it, right? You just start playing it. But don't be like, when the singer starts singing, then you use the transpose button to just moving down, moving up, moving down, moving up, moving down, guessing. Like you are guessing. I think it's not a smart way. Yeah, and it's not a good etiquette on the instrument. Playing an instrument is not good. Yeah. I think just find the key and transpose it. Don't move up, down, up, down, up, down. Otherwise, maybe you might confuse the singer or something. Yes. You might confuse the singer or something. Yes. So be careful of how you select, or how you catch your key, or yes, with a transpose feature. Okay, so this is what I have for you for today, and then thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Ciao.